is no such thing nutritionally as a superfood. That would be a marketing term. But if there was, at the top of my list would be beans. Why? They are loaded with nutrients. They help to lower blood pressure, and eating a cup of beans every day can decrease your risk of having a heart attack by 37%. And it's not just because people are eating bean burritos instead of beef burritos. Turns out there's something actually protective about beans. One of the things they have is soluble fiber, the same kind that oats have that help to lower cholesterol level. It's also a fact that beans can help people with diabetes to lower their hemoglobin A1C because beans have a low glycemic index. But aren't beans fattening, you might say? Well, turns out that beans actually can be helpful with weight management because they give you a sense of fullness. It's all that protein and fiber. So here's what you do. Once a week, cook a pot of beans. It's really easy. You just fill it with toss the beans in a pan and fill it with water an inch above it. Add an onion and a little bit of salt and cook them till they're tender. I'm not a soaker, but you can soak them and that decreases the cooking time and improves the digestibility if you want. Then during the week, you turn it into a taco. You have it on a salad. I like mine with toasted pistachio nuts and cannellini beans and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. You have a veggie burger. I like these Trader Joe's black bean veggie burgers, but sometimes I make my own. I like to add an egg with a little spinach on top. Serve your book group this lentil soup, and I'm going to include the recipe. Have hummus at your lunch. Listen, let beans be your secret weapon for quick, easy meals and good health. That is smart eating.